Introduction of photoelectric sensor. The concepts. Photoelectric sensors are mainly used to detect the depth of object color and are often used in robotic patrol, barcode scanning, etc. The front LED light is the transmitter, and the black part is the receiver. Principles of detection. Objects of different colors absorb and reflect light differently. Dark objects absorb more light, and light-colored objects absorb less light. When the photoelectric sensor is working, it will emit and receive light beams at a short distance, and the detection function of the color depth of the object is realized through the detection of the returned light by the receiver. Hardware testing. The photoelectric sensor can be connected to any P port of the controller. Here we choose P1 port. After the connection is completed, click the photoelectric icon on the main interface to enter the built-in test interface of the photoelectric sensor. If the ADC is less than the REF, the number of this port will change to brown. If the ADC value is greater than the REF value, the number of this port will change to white. If you want to modify the REF value of the photoelectric sensor, you can click the corresponding port to modify it. Programming. In the ZM-Robo 3.0 programming software, there are two different types of photoelectric sensor commands, the data type and the Boolean function. The data type can read the ADC value of the sensor directly, while the Boolean function can compare the ADC value with a set REF value, and then return the judgment result. In addition, there is a command to control the sensor light, which can turn the sensor light on and off. Take an example. These are two programs that use data type and Boolean function commands of photoelectric sensor. They have the same function. Please note their difference. If the emitting light of the photoelectric sensor is turned off, then it receives ambient light and can be used to measure the intensity of ambient light. As an example, this is a program that displays the intensity of ambient light. Notice the change in the screen display. Knowledge extension. The REF value, which means threshold value, refers to the lowest or highest value that an effect can produce. In photoelectric sensors, it usually refers to the critical value between black and white color. The intermediate value between the reading when it is white and the reading when it is black is generally defined as the threshold value of the photoelectric sensor. The production process of photoelectric sensors can make small differences between each machine, resulting in their thresholds being different. It is also important to note that the threshold value is always just a human set value and can be adjusted according to the required effect of the final program. This is the introduction of the photoelectric sensor. Thanks for watching.